I really love these little travel size hand sanitizers. I want to quickly share with you how you can make your very own sanitizer from home. First, pour in rubbing alcohol. You can use 91% or 70%. The higher the percentage, the more bacteria the sanitizer will kill. Next, you'll need pure aloe vera gel. All you need is 1/3 of a cup or 80 grams. Mix aloe vera with alcohol, and now we have only one more ingredient left. Essential oil of your choice. Use the best oil that will give you the fragrance that you want and that works well with your skin. Mix the 3 ingredients really good, get all the clumps out. Now you're ready to transfer this sanitizer into a container. Next, I'll show you how easy it is to transfer the sanitizer into a bottle that you can carry with you and use. I chose these containers because it's the same shape and style of the little scented containers that I really like that I usually buy out the store. At the top of these containers is only a small hole, so we'll have to remove the top of the container. It can be challenging to get the top off, but what I found that makes it easier is to just use a spoon. Just slide the spoon underneath the top and it'll pop open. I'll go ahead and remove the tops on all of them. There's a link to the step-by-step guide if you want to read exactly how to make this hand sanitizer. But it's very quick and it's very easy. Now it's time to pour the mixture in. Using a funnel, pour the mixture in and snap the top on. Now you have your very own hand sanitizer. You can customize it how you like. Put any type of logo or sticker on the front. Add any color or scent that you would like. Squirt some out. Try it. It smells and it feels just like regular sanitizer. Try it.